Only heaven will know of the ripple effects, the life change, the direction, yes, and to many the healing that Apostle Andre brought with his life, his teaching, and every demonstration where he made the gospel so simple a child can understand. His acting, his being a comedian, his storytelling, and his understanding of complicated biblical truths made plain for everyone will never be forgotten. The fundamental gospels of the kingdom, the church, the body, the fivefold, dying to self, the eternal gospel, to focus on Jesus Christ, and then just to be yourself. The seamless life of living in Christ Jesus. Oh, there are so many benefits that we all enjoy because of the life of Apostle Andre. I know that earth never gave him the honor and the rewards that he deserved. But I now know that he's won the prize. He's been perfected fully now, being with the one he loves most. May his message endure through your life, my life, for ages to come. Grace and peace.